I'm Jeff Day, founder and president of CalRamic Technologies, a company we founded in 2001. My business partner, Voltage Multipliers, and myself had a vision of creating a company of high voltage, high reliability ceramic capacitors. Since then, we've grown to over 500 clients worldwide. We continually grow at a very rapid pace every year and still maintaining our US-based operation of high voltage ceramic capacitors.
There are four markets that we like to serve in the industry. That would be space level, industrial, commercial, and military, and that makes up the majority of our business. My name is Andrew Schweber. I'm the applications engineer here at CalRamic Technologies. I work directly with clients, providing solutions to their applications and delivering a quality product on a timely manner.
We work with ceramic materials, obviously, but we work with metals as well, precious metals, and also the organic chemistry, polymer chemistry. So the triad of our material science certainly revolves around all three of those materials. Our most amazing program that we had most recently was Mars Perseverance and the Mars rover. And we're very proud of that. Played the video on the landing in the company, and it was a pretty exciting time for us.
It's awesome to say that our products are actually on another planet in the solar system, and I think that's amazing. That's one of the most exciting things about this job.
My name is Isani Vetter. I'm the Client Service Administrator here at CalRamic. I'm an advocate for our clients here, and I really couldn't do it without our great staff. I get to work on a daily basis with these individuals who design them, and they really are the backbone of this company. We all have a great communication style, so it all is really cohesive and works together.
The most important aspect of why we do what we do is to provide success for our clients. And we do that by providing the most reliable components in the industry worldwide based on the highest quality materials, the best processes, and the highest attention to detail of building and manufacturing our high voltage components. It's so important that every component that goes out the door works for a client. At CalRamic Technologies, the team that we have, they know the mission. Our mission is success, and that's what we're after.